Hello and welcome to This Week in Privacy. My name's Alexis Katafidis and here are your regulatory highlights for this week. The California State Legislature passed Assembly Bill 1281, which extends the exemptions in relation to employee information and business-to-business transactions under the CCPA. In particular, AB 1281 provides that information collected by a business about a natural person in the course of such person acting as a job applicant, employee, owner, director, officer, medical staff member, or contractor is exempt until the 1st of January 2022. AB 1281 would only become operative if the ballot initiative for the California Privacy Rights Act is not approved by voters in November this year. The bill has been sent to the governor for approval. The National Information Security Standardization Technical Committee of China, also known as TC260, issued a new draft specification and is requesting public comments on the same. The draft specification provides general data processing guidance, including measures related to data collection, transmission, and storage. In addition, the draft outlines how to handle complaints and provides guidance on audits, data deletion, as well as anonymization. Public comments can be submitted until the 27th of November. The French Data Protection Authority published a guide on its auditing procedures, which summarizes how and why such audits are carried out by CNIL, as well as best practices for organizations. The guide outlines that audits to verify compliance with the GDPR will focus on issues such as purposes for processing personal data and the legal bases, data security controls, and data transfers, among other topics. CNIL highlighted that audits can be carried out through an on-site inspection, online inspections, interviews, or through the submission of a questionnaire. CNIL also noted that 300 audits were carried out in 2019. That's all for This Week in Privacy. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week.